Good morning. Welcome back to my channel. It's around 7 o'clock, and at the moment we are in Kannur. And now we are going to Kannur Lighthouse, which is close to the hotel. It's around 2.5 kilometer, as I can see on the map. Today we will be riding to Kochi, which is around 230 km from Kannur. While going there, we will make a detour to Kozhikode, and also we'll try to cover Thrissur. So all in all, we can expect this ride to be around 250 kilometers. So we just came here, but turned out to be closed. So they have a Kannur Lighthouse and museum attached to it. No issue. We will try to see the lighthouse from other side of it. Pretty clean, and I don't know if you can see in the distance, there is that lighthouse, which is completely surrounded by trees. Payambalam Beach. We are in Mahe, which happens to be a part of the Union Territory of Pondicherry. Pondicherry's actual geographical location is in Tamil Nadu, or let's say at the coast of Tamil Nadu. So the reason behind having Mahe under. So Mahe is a district under the administrative rule of Pondicherry or Pondicherry. Is because of the history which Kerala had in the past. So Kerala was having the British regime, and Mahe, which was a part of a French colonization, and so is Pondicherry. So even after Britishers left us at 1947, French was continued to be ruling Pondicherry and Mahe till 1960 or something, some year 1962 or so. So from then till now, Mahe is under the same authority, which is the Pondicherry administrative rule, and not Kerala administrative rule. Yeah, I mean, I'm just wondering how they're managing Mahe from Pondicherry. I think the distance will be around 300 to 400 kilometers or maybe more from the current geographical location of Pondicherry and this Mahe. So yeah, interesting. So we just had our lunch, and now we are continuing our journey towards Kochi. So for lunch we had parotha and kadala curry. So kadala curry is nothing but the chana curry, and there was some sweet. Sometimes I feel this is such a small world. I mean, today I met with this person who is just now following me. So this was the guy. is living in Kerala, but he was there in Maharashtra for quite some time, for like 12 years, and near to my hometown, which is Ahmednagar. So he was there working for like 12 years, and when he saw the number plate MH16, then he got very excited and stopped me for having a little chat. सीरियसली मज़ा आ जाता है यार जब आप दूसरे स्टेट में हो और आप आपकी मदर टंग में किसी से बात कर रहे हो. सी वाज स्पीकिंग वेरी फ्लुएंट मराठी. चला निघू का भेटू. It was fun. So yeah, back to NH66 towards Kochi. So to go to the other side of the sea, we have to take this ferry. The ticket for a two-wheeler is 10 rupees, and it will take around 5 to 7 minutes as per the map. So we have reached our destination of stay, Hostel Kochi. So we are in Fort Kochi, which happens to be the upscale area in Kochi. You can see behind me the architecture and all. So this was the original burial site for Vasco da Gama. Friends, all in all it was a good ride. We did around 300 kilometers today, more or less, including the back roads and all. So yeah, tomorrow we will be going to Alleppey, which is 70 kilometers from here. So yeah, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.